Welcome to new video on trading for beginners. In this YouTube channel, I am regularly uploading videos of free stuffs, and in today's video I am going to introduce you with best free antiviruses for your Windows 10 or 11, and also these antiviruses support other operating systems too, but I am focusing on Windows 10 or 11. In number 3, we have Malware Bites. You can download its set of files simply from visiting its official website and click on this free download. Then you will get a free set of file which can install on your PC and secure your PC from viruses. If you want to know more about this Malware Bites, then you can simply visit its homepage and read this blog, from where you will get detailed information about this antivirus. Now move to our number 2. In number 2 we have Avira. Avira is also a popular antivirus among the internet user, and also it provides you a free VPN service too. Like previous antivirus, you can simply download a set of file from its official website avira.com. Just visit its official website and click on this free download to get a free set of file. Then you can install its set of file on your PC and enjoy the free antivirus software. With this free antivirus, you will get storage optimizer and duplicate file finder, battery saver and startup optimizer, software and driver updater also. Now move to our number 1. In number 1 we have AVG Antivirus. Get free antivirus that's trusted by experts. Simply you can download its set of file from its official website avg.com. Click on this free download and download its set of file on your PC. It have a more than 17,000 review on Trustpilot with an average of 4.5 star. So you can easily trust this antivirus, and you will get lots of features on this free version too with free VPN. Now let's summarize our list. In number 1 we have AVG Antivirus. In number 2 we have Avira, and in number 3 we have Malware Bites. I hope you love this video and find it helpful. If you love this video, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up and also press the subscribe button for trading for beginner and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.